And once again, welcome to 6502. By the way, I think I was rude. I didn't even introduce myself. I'm Dr. Nick Lauer, and I've taught this class many times and love teaching it. So I do hope that if you have questions or concerns or something's not going well, that you will email me as soon as something happens so that we can figure things out together. Okay, so the way this is set up is the first topic up here is just pre-course information. Announcements that I make to you, notes that I make to myself, a writing checklist, which I think is in a couple weeks later also, to help you look at things like this is the writing checklist here. It's just something to look at and do, have I done these things? Because obviously at a master's level, the way that you write does count. And then I also have the grading scale for our department, HDCS, right here. So then what you'll note is that each week, I tell you exactly when the week starts and ends and when everything is due. Most of the things will say completion, but some of them don't because quizzes don't say completion, and other things like my little to-do page doesn't say that. And so whatever's on here you need to do, unless it's optional. Got to take this out of there. Okay, so you see that for each week you'll have assignments and optional. Sometimes you don't have optional, and apparently sometimes you have two optionals. Don't know how that happened. Let me now go all the way down to the end here. And okay, under here are resources. So everything, all your assignments have rubrics here and great examples. There's nothing under articles yet. For example, under legal papers, this is the rubric for the legal papers, and here's some really good examples. Same thing with the informational videos and the focus on the Michigan paper. So all of these are in here. Now, when it says anything that is in here, I look at here. Moodle is very slow today. By the way, I don't know if I said this in the previous video. I'm doing this about a month ahead of time. If there's changes, then I will let you know. Anyway, this might be so slow it's not going to let me show you, and I hate to waste your time with this. But the point is that anything that's on here, I have a log. And the log tells me, it tells me what time you did, what you did, what you looked at, all those kinds of things. You also have some to-dos. Let's get back in here. Yeah, I don't know. This has been doing this all day today. When you have a to-do on the page, do not just rely on that. For example, it'll say to do, but I might not have absolutely everything here in the to do. If it's on here as an assignment, you need to do it. Most of the assignments you have are simply things like watching presentations or reading an article. But then some of the things are actually like, this is a forum. This little purple thing with the lines on it is a forum, and you'll introduce yourselves. Partly to me, but mostly to each other. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope that you will let me know if you've got any questions or concerns. So thanks so much for watching both of these videos.